All right, you've got a math problem here for you. Okay. Whew. Drop my marker. Anthony saw 5 wolves. Henry saw 6 more. How many wolves are in the pack? Okay, now let's highlight the really important bits, okay? The numbers are important. So Anthony saw 5 wolves, Henry saw 6. And you know what? The word more is very important because it shows that this is an adding question, not a taking away question. So our question in numbers is going to look like this, 5. And then the plus sign is kind of like a teeny tiny floating T. It's got to be floating. There we go. 5 plus 6 equals. Now, there's a few different strategies that you can use for solving this problem. All right. One of them is counting on. Oops. I'll have to erase that later. I'll use the blue. All right. So remember, if we're counting on, we always start at the biggest number. Okay. And so we go to 6, and then we count on however many more we need to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's our answer. Okay. So we know our answer, so we can get that out of the way. Now that's one way to solve this problem. And if we wanted to write down what we did, we could say that we used a number line. And we could do this. And that shows our thinking. That shows what we did, okay? Now, I want to try to push you a little bit and you're thinking a little bit because there's different ways to solve this problem, okay? Now, you know your doubles, don't you? All right, so you know 5 plus 5. Does everybody agree that they know 5 plus 5? I think so. There we go. We all know 5 plus 5. Okay. We know that that's a 10 frame. 5 on the top, 5 on the bottom. We know it's 10. All right. That's not what this question is. This question is 5 plus 6. 6 is just one more than 5. So what we call this is a doubles plus 1 question. All right. So if you know 5 plus 5 equals 10, then you only have to add one more. 1 plus 10 equals 11. So this is a doubles plus 1 question. And I'd like you to try that today. You want to use your number line because it feels good. You can use your number line. But then I want you to show me how you would solve this using your doubles. And if you feel like you just want to solve it with your doubles plus 1, go ahead and solve it with your doubles or your doubles plus 1. Now, when you get your sheet with the wolves, Anthony will have saw a different number and Henry will have saw a different number. And so you'll have to think about that really carefully, what your answer is going to be for your doubles plus 1 question. Okay.